Hey guys, what's up? I'm here with a video to unbox DC shoes. And now let's jump into the box. What's inside this? Let's check it out. I ordered these shoes from Amazon and I like its delivery speed. Let's jump into the box. I think this is gonna be awesome. I really like DC because the quality of the shoes are very nice. My previous shoes are very nice. Let's see how these shoes are. Yes, these looks amazing. Really, I like the color. Really, this looks more perfect than online. The sole is completely rubber, simple and sleek in design. Yes, the color also is perfect. I think there are other colors like black and grey, which looks more perfect for other pairs which you want to wear. But as my preference is this shoes, I love this color. Really, this looks amazing. There are other colors like black, grey and red, which may also be perfect. And I like these really. The sole is very stronger than I have expected. And the black line on the sole is completely gives a different look to you. This pair of shoes gives a perfect look and a trendy look. Yes, these are really awesome. Check these shoes in Amazon, guys, and I hope you'll be happy with my video and this review. The fabric material is really cool. Yes, thank you guys. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, and this is my first video. Thank you so much, guys. Please subscribe and do like the video. Please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much.